Next question is, what brain shift happens when a struggling student suddenly starts seeing math?
Okay, when they start acing their math test, I see the kind of shift they have. Number one is their attitude towards math, for sure.
You
Because
see attitude change, is it?
yeah, the attitude will change because it's from someone like, totally, I don't like math, I dread doing math. But the moment they start to score A1, right? And then go like, hey, because they start to see the effort pay off. And I always tell my students that, math is one of the easiest subject to see your result. You reap what you sow very quickly. It's unlike some subjects that are much harder. For example, like English or Chinese, it takes a very long time because you need to build your basic very long, take very long to build it before you can see any result. So for math, to a certain extent, you put in a lot of hard work, right? For this chapter, you start that you see this chapter you can do quite well. And when they start to do well, the mindset shift from them being a failure in math to someone, hey, actually I can do it. And when they feel that they can do it, they will like to do more. And they'll be more serious for the next chapter. And they'll put in the same effort in the next chapter. And it sort of snowball in a positive way. Yeah. And I see that in a lot of students. But they must get past the first A1. And that's when the magic really starts. And parents always ask me, Mr. How do I make them motivated? How do I, it's not easy. But once they get past their first A1, the motivation comes automatically. I always tell the parent, just watch, okay? But we need to first get there and then just watch. They will be motivated and they will be very serious.
I feel adding to that point, right? I think showing them that they're improving is something that's also very important because especially for students who always believe that, wow, I cannot do math, math is not my thing, I want to drop math. But if you show them that they are slowly improving, right? Incremental improvements, you have to show them, right? I think eventually, I mean, we do see a pattern, right? Eventually, their false beliefs actually starts breaking, right? Then they realize, hey, actually, I'm improving it. Then that's where the motivation comes from.
That's right. Is this kind of motivation is the best. It comes from inside. It's better than yes, it's better than some of those motivation coach or something. Yeah, wow, very motivated for 1 week. Then after that, the time punch again. So yes, I mean, but this is something that need to work hard for.
Yeah.